Good morning, Mumbai Road runners. Good morning, Ram. So today I am going to do the circuit training. Before that, we'll be doing a thorough warm up around 10 to 15 minutes. But I don't see most of you already over here. But I'll start with the warm up. So we'll start from the head to toe. First, we'll do the neck rotations, forward, backward, 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, tucking your chin, we'll do the left and right movements. So, tuck your chin for the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we'll do the side to side, left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Semicircle rotations now from behind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Move to your shoulders. Rotations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Full arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you can do one forward, one backward, different directions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Small circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Side to side swing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Full swing up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we'll move to a waist rotations. Now I can see only one person, that's only me live over here, not alive. And can anyone see? Can you give me some sign? I can't see anyone. Okay. Now I'll do the rotations. Waist. First clockwise, then anti-clockwise, or whichever direction. We have to reverse after 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we are going to move our torso only, leaving the waist down. Steady. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1. Warm up is basically you have to warm up your core, and the core takes longer time to warm up. 3, 4, 5. Now alternate toe touches. 1, come up. 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Side bends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Twist and do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we'll move to our toes. Just move forward, backward 5 times. 1, 2. This has to be right angle. The knee. 3, 4, 5. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll do the ankle and foot now. Warm up. Rotations. Clockwise, anti-clockwise first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we are going to do, I hope you all can see the feet. Okay, so we are going to do the walking on the toes. 5 steps only, small. Usually you have to do more, but we'll just do 5 because we have to do many directions also. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You should come back to your own place actually. Then now we'll do on the heels. Heel walking now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will do the internal rotation. Standing on your outer side of your feet and same. 5 forward, 5 backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I see some of them. Hi Jai Kumar. Hi Aparna, good morning. Good to see you here. Aparna from Akola has joined me. Okay. So we are in the warm up. We are not too late. We just finished some dynamic warm up moves of from head to toe. We are still doing them. Good morning, Ram. Now I feel that somebody is watching. Otherwise I was just feeling I'm all alone. Okay, so we are into warm up. We are doing the warm up of our feet, walking outwards now. The feet are turned inwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now inward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our ankles are warmed up, our knees warmed up, waist, shoulders, some warm up for our wrists. They are the ones which are of most use nowadays. 1, just rotation first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just hold for a while. 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same with the other hand now. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just move and spread as much as possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all set for the warm up. We'll do some more. We'll end it up with some jumping jacks. Actually, jumping jacks are in our circuit as well. But we'll just do some jumping jacks now for 10 at least. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Forward up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good morning everyone. Once again we are done with our warm up. So we are going to begin with our running drills. As most of you must be knowing what they are. Some of you might be doing them as a warm up as well. But these are really good drills to improve your running form, efficiency and whatnot, and they are good as a warm up routine also. So we'll do 2 sets of 10 different running drills which will prevent you from injuries and give you good running form and make your running more enjoyable and efficient. So you can see more now. Okay, now I'll see the comments later. Let's begin with our running drills. You can sip some water if you want to now after warm up. Okay, the first one is high knees. We are going to do each one for maybe 20 counts. Okay, so we'll do each one for 20 counts. Usually it is done on the open ground for a distance of 20 meters. You have to go 20 meters doing high knees and come back walking. That's a recovery. But here we are going to do on the spot, or maybe just our limit is only till the mats now. So we'll be doing on spot high knees. That will be around 20 count. So let's start. Make sure you have worn your shoes, or you should do it on the mat, because jumping bare feet on the hard surface is not good for your knees and your joints. So let's do the high knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So whatever time it took for you to do the 20, you have to take a recovery of that much while walking down. Take a breather. Then is a butt kicks. So butt kicks, you have to try to touch your heel towards your buttocks. Don't slouch when you are doing that. Your torso remains upright. So let's do the butt kicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, I didn't put my watch on any mode, but you can feel how the heart rate goes up during your jumps. So that was butt kicks. Third one is the hamstring tucks. So we are going to keep the knees locked. Try to reach them as high as you can. Just the way you did with the high knees, you took the knees towards your chest. But now they are going to be locked and trying to take them towards your chest. So take a breather. Let's go for the hamstring tucks now. So you have to do it this way. Jump. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. For those who are not supposed to jump, they can do it by standing. But make sure your upper torso is steady. So that was hamstring tucks. Keep walking for the recovery. Imagine that you are on the ground. You finish these tucks for 20 meters and you are walking back towards your start point and waiting for your turn, because usually we do it in groups and there are several rows and we get enough recovery for coming to our next set. So this one was hamstring tuck. Now is the pop-ups. Pop-ups are jumps on a single leg. They are explosive. There are of two types. You can do them this way and then this way. Otherwise, another one is just do this. Try to go as much as high as possible. So those are pop-ups. And imagine that you are going for 20 meters but doing it on the spot. So let's start the pop-ups. I'll just set this on a cardio mode at least. Okay, I'm not finding it. Let's do the pop-ups now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that was 20 pop-ups. Some recovery again. I'm not finding my cardio setting also, and I'm not using it for running at all during this lockdown. Okay. Good morning to the ones who joined late. We are just doing the running drills now. Our main circuit is after the 2 sets of these running drills. We have done high knees, butt kicks, hamstring tucks and pop-ups. The 5th one is knee lock. So for the knee lock, you are going to lock your knees and push, step ahead, kick ahead with your main glutes and from your core. No bending your knee. So you are going to land on your forefoot, not on your heels. So it appears that you are going to land on your heels, but it is this way. Okay. So let's do 20 of these. Actually on the ground in that 20 meters. My cycle. So on the ground, we can cover as much as distance possible in less strides. But let's do the knee locks now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Too humid, waiting for the rains. Okay, so that was pop-ups. We are barely done, only 4. We are on the 5th one. No, we did the 5th one, sorry, knee lock. The 6th one is side jumps. Side jump is a side running only. Okay, so we'll do the side running, 20 steps one side, then we'll do the next set, we'll do the other side. So remember, whichever you are doing now, the next one you do from the other leg. So I'll start from my left only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I'll have to modify. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll do the round with the side. So I did with my left leg. So I'll do in the left direction. I've done 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So the next one we'll do other direction, 20 sideways. So try to keep your knee locked. Try to move your leg from your hips, the pelvic girdle, from the root of it, just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So the driving leg is only the one which is you are going to lift. The other one is just dragged. You are not putting more load on the other leg. So that was side jump. Now we'll do the shuffle. So shuffle is also from, you need a longer length for it. So leg shuffling, or maybe you can just do it on spot, forward, backward, as much as the distance is, as per your limitations of indoor distance. So we'll do the next one, shuffling of legs. These are all good for your neuromuscular connection as well. So focus on your movement, start whichever leg you are leading from, and your hand and legs have to be in sync. So when I am putting my left leg ahead, my right leg hand comes behind. So start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I think you were supposed to do it in one leg. Then we'll do the other leg now. So you can do it on the spot. 1, 2, like that. So second one we'll do with the other leg. Take a breather. You can sip some more water if you want. Use your towel. Mumbai Marathon. Okay. So we'll be doing. Oh my God, too bright. So we'll be doing with the other leg now. 1, 2, I have done the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So this movement actually opens up your all hip flexors and yeah, good. So this was shuffling. Now we'll have a walking lunges. So we'll be doing 10, 5 in front and 5 at the back. So 5 forward, 5 backward. Or if you don't have space, you can just do 1 and then do back. Okay, 2. So I'm also going to do the same way. So I'll be doing this way, 1, then they go back, and this is 1. Change the leg, 2. Change the leg again, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember to change your leg. 9 and 10. So that was walking lunges, forward and backward. I will end it up. Usually on the track, we end these with a stride, backward run, which is not possible indoors. You might hit something if you run backwards, and just running backwards is like running on the spot is same. I mean forward, backward. It doesn't make any difference if you're running on spot. So I'm going to skip that. So when you are doing it on the ground, you can include that one. Then a backward run, then stride. So you can just run as fast as possible with some acceleration till 60 meters or so. So that is the ending up with stride. But now we are doing here, we don't have a ground, we are indoors. So we'll just do fast feet for a count of 20. So we are not counting how many numbers it's going to be, just a count, 20 seconds maybe, and we'll do that. So for that you have to move your leg as fast as you can on spot. So start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, keep going, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, faster, 19, and faster, 20. So that was one set of running drills. You have to do one more, I think. I plan to do 2 sets. And then we have actually Bo Derek circuit, but I have modified it as per our convenience. So Bo Derek circuit is very famous for runners, and it includes set of 10 exercises, 10 times each. But let's see now how the time permits, we'll do that. You can take a breather, wait for a while, sip some water. Write some comments. I can see not. Good morning, Amit ji, Kumar, Satyendra Singh. Good to see you. This Facebook live sometimes, you know, every time I do the Facebook live, I get to learn so many new things. Every time it's a learning experience. I can't. One day I had a talk and I couldn't see anyone online, and I couldn't see any comments, and I kept on talking just with myself. And it was going to be an interactive talk anyways. Okay, so this was one set of running drills. We'll do one more set, and then we'll do one more set very quickly. Now this no explanation, nothing. We just know one after the other what we are going to do. So are you all ready to do the next one? Okay, let's begin with the jumping jacks. Maybe we'll do just 10 each now, faster. So we'll finish off this so we can move to the Bo Derek. So let's go. Jumping jacks again. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lateral squat, second one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think we missed last time. Oh, this one was a Bo Derek. Let's go with the Bo Derek only. I just turned the page. So Bo Derek workout was, first one was jumping jacks 10 seconds. Second is a lateral squat. Third one is a mountain climber. We'll do one more set of this Bo Derek. Nothing goes as per the plan. Anyway, so we'll do the mountain climbers. Everybody knows what is mountain climbers. Still, I'll just demonstrate. It's actually total body workout. You have to go in a plank position. Wrists are under your shoulders. Engage his core. and you have to move your knees towards your elbows. So those are mountain climbers. Start. We'll do 10 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one is lateral toe taps. So we are going to be here running and tapping our toe. Running sideways, tapping your toe. Okay, so let's start that 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So on the ground it is a running sideways and picking up, touching the cone. You can take a 10-second break in between each set for you to get the normal heart rate again back. So that was mountain climber lateral toe taps. Now we have a squat thrust. Squat thrust is going in a squat and then thrust up. While coming up only thrust, not coming up and then jump. Okay. So we'll do 10 squat thrusts. Ready? So go in a squat position. I'll show you in the side and thrust up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Land softly, land on your forefoot. Ten-second break in between every set, every workout I mean. So now we'll go to leg raises. Leg raises on the ground. There are various types, whichever you feel as per your own challenges and limitations, you can do them. So this way also from 15 degree to 30 degree, from 30 to 45, or you can just do full leg raises this way. So whatever, we'll do 10 of these. It's good to go back on your spine after all these jumps. Okay, start with our leg raises. 1, 2, 3, keep your knees locked. 4, engage your core. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Turn on one side and then get up. That was leg raises. Now we have plank jacks. Again going back. This Bo Derek workout, what I like is it keeps you moving from down to up and down. So that adds to your agility training as well. So we are going back on in a plank position. It's too much sun. Okay. Plank and jacks. So I wanted to show you the jacks actually. Your knees are not bent. It's a plank position. Okay, and do this jumping jacks. How we do jumping jacks? This is a plank jack. Jacks in a plank position. Let's do 10 of these. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one is the double leg bridge extension. So you go in a bridge position. Actually this set works best with a timer. Sukhi has a nice one. So, but I try to download and save it, but then I didn't play it. Because every time I'm taking a break, that break is for our conversation. Or maybe some instructions. So let's go in the bridge position. And we are going to do the extensions, hip extension. Okay, these are called bridge extension also. 1, go down with your glutes only. Keep your core engaged, shoulders are steady, hands have no load. It's only your core. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one is side steps. This one is modified bow leg. So yeah, so usually now after this circuit, you are supposed to do a 800-meter run, either a easy 800 or faster 400. So we are not running, so we will do the some step workout over here for our agility. So it is, see, if you have, some people have all the tiles in the room on your floor have the square pattern. So just consider one square, one cross, like a plus sign, or just imagine it. If you don't have, if you have a plain surface, then just imagine one cross and try to do this side to side as fast as you can. Okay, so that will be doing the 10 count. It is actually perfect pattern. Start with your right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 10. 10 was the count. Then same one, next one is forward backward. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are going to do this one, we did side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are going to do forward backward. Okay, so go up in front and come back. Go ahead and come back. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll show you this one. Start with the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that as fast as you can. Start just for a 10 count. 1, 2. No count, but I think it was 10. So that was the set of 10 exercises. So we started with the jumping jacks, then we did lateral squats, third one was mountain climbers, fourth one was lateral toe taps, fifth one was squat thrust, then were the leg raises, plank jacks, double leg bridge extension, then was a side step, then front steps. Okay, so this was one set. You can have some water, we'll interact for a while, and then we'll do one more set, and then we have a nice long stretches. We'll do one more set of bow derrick, and then some stretching, and then if you have any question answers. Okay. So any comments? Hi Suju, hi Rachna, and 3 others are watching. So I don't know, I can't see any more comments here. Hope you all are enjoying, and lovely to see you all in great number. Great for me. So most of my Pinkathon members, Girgaon, Akola, they have also joined. So thank you everyone for joining. They usually have their Sunday session of their own, but they have joined this Mumbai Road Runners. So big welcome to you all. Let's go with the next set of Bo Derek, modified one, Kranti's Bo Derek, you can call it. So let's start with the jumping jacks, 10 count. Land softly, no hitting your thighs. Clapping you can do, but land softly and don't hit your thighs. Okay, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then is the lateral squats. So go in a squat, go in a lateral squat position, squat, come up, go to the next one. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Mountain climbers is the next. Go in a mountain climber position, that's a plank, and start. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lateral toe taps. So again, this is, I have introduced lateral moves more because this is the one which we ignore, usually when we are running in a same direction. So lateral toe taps, go 1, 2 steps at least you take laterally and then touch your toe. I will do it sidewise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one is squat thrust. Go in a squat position and thrust up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one is leg raises. So go in the supine position, raise your legs, I'll do the other type, and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then is the plank jacks. Go in a plank, do the jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then is a double leg bridge extension. I'm not counting a 10-second break, but you know we are moving from one exercise to another and we are taking that much time only. So that time is also called as a recovery time. We are not doing it very quickly from one to another. So it's not a no break circuit. It has a break and it has a minimal break. So bridge extension. This is 1. Go as high as possible straight. Down 2. Down 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Next one is side steps. Let me do this right now this way. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this movement is there, no? That's good for your lateral adductors, abductors. Okay. So now forward, backward now, same one. So we'll be going imaginary axis you make and forward 2 steps, 2 steps backward. Shuffle it as fast as you can. Time starts now. We are going to do only 10 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, I can go on and on. Actually, we had to do it faster in the end. But once you go in a trance, like running, you'll just keep on and on till your heart says, oh, stop it. So, this was it. 2 sets of bow derrick. Now, we'll be doing a nice cool down and long holding stretches. That's our reward for doing this. Actually, we missed. I was too greedy to add 2 different things in one set only. The running drills itself is a workout, you know, if you do multiple sets and at a longer time. And that's also a strength one, agility one, everything. So it's a really good workout. But then I added this circuit. So anyway, let's do the nice long holding stretches. Sip some water. Let me interact with you. Let me give it a try again. If I can see you. I don't know why I don't see any comments. Same thing had happened last time. Okay, Nilima is saying, hi Nilima. I mean, can't you not? Okay, where did it go? See my comments. Oh, now I saw Nilima. I don't know, some delay was there. Ram, thank you. Nilima, I saw your. Hi Sam. Swarved. Yeah, I could go on for 100 also, Nilima. It's hi Suvarna. Thank you for joining. Now we are going to do cool down and stretches. Thank you my Pinkathon family, Mumbai Road runners, for giving me this opportunity. I really loved it. I love the way how MRR is organizing so many trainings, and I'm really in awe, you know, to see how runners community coming forward and contributing to it, enjoying it together, and I'm really proud to be a part of it. Thank you for giving opportunity. I'm feeling so nice after many days. I think I've sweated so much. Let's do some cool down now. Hi Madhuri. Madhuri from Aurangabad. Madhuri Nimje. So lovely to see whole Maharashtra over here. Okay, so we'll do the cool down stretches. I think we'll do the sitting stretches first. Or you want to do stance? Yeah, we'll go on the sitting stretches.
So I'll do take the mat this way.
Okay. So we'll do the sitting hamstring stretch, which I don't want to show the feet actually. Okay, we'll do this hamstring stretches this way. So your knees are locked, your toes are pointing towards your shins. Breathe in. Slowly exhale and try to reach your toes as much as you're capable of. And keep your knees locked and hold whichever is your end position, okay? Hold till the count of 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Inhale. Now spread as much as possible, spread your legs. Again, shin, the toes are pointing towards your shin. Inhale. While exhaling, keep your other leg straight and try to reach to the left side. 1, 2, 3. It's going to give you straight on the other side also, the right if you are turning to the left side abdomen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it gave you the stretch on your many parts. I don't want to describe. You feel it, yourself. So if you do it the right way, you will feel the stretches. Up again. Inhale. While exhaling, go sideways and keep your legs straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Inhale and come back. Now we'll do the quad stretch. Everybody knows quad stretch. If you're flexible, you can lie down, but keep your other leg straight. Get the stretch on your quads. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Other leg. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We'll do the butterfly stretch. As per your flexibility, try to stretch your groin, back straight, elbows will push your thighs and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now we will do the lying down stretches. Lie on the mat, and you all must be familiar with this stretch. One knee over the, fold your knee, lock over here this way, put your hand. It's a needling thread. It's good for hip stretch. It is, and ITT also. So this way and hold, and try to hug your knee towards your chest and count 1. We'll do 10 on each side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side, change the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You know, there's another one I'll show you. You don't have to do it now, but this is like movement also is good for opening up your hip flexors. It's a good stretch, rocking movement with this position. Your core also needs to be stable for this, but adds to your good workout. So this one was hip flexors. Other one is again hamstring stretch. One leg is straight, knee locked of both the legs. Toe is pointing towards your shin and hold. 10 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other leg. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Same leg. Now we are going to the next stretch. To take it to the side, your hands remain opened over here on the ground. You will feel a stretch on the side, twist also, and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take it and do for the other leg. If your flexibility is good, you can just hold your leg straight and do that. But whatever is your ability, just try to give it a stretch, keeping your knees locked. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we'll do another hamstring stretch, which will give the calf stretch also. Okay. Try to push it like a dog pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take your leg ahead, and this is a pigeon pose. Go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other one, other side now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come ahead. Try to reach the ground. Relax your torso. Let it dangle down due to gravity. Relax your hands also and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale and come up. We'll do some hand stretches now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Tricep 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are many stretches. I can go on and on, to feel rewarded and relaxing. So we did most of them. The main is, whichever muscles you have worked, you need to give them a nice cool recovery stretches. So calf stretch we did. There are many ways of doing same muscle stretches, but we can do this. This one is also good calf stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the front leg is straight and the rear leg is bent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just we'll do the backward stretch again. Backward fold as much as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lovely. So thank you very much everyone for joining. We'll do one more stretch for your spine, going down, balasana or whatever you call it, but it's a good stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, come up, and that's a big salute and thank you to all for joining. Thank you Ram sir, thank you MRR and team for giving me this opportunity, and thank you everyone who joined. Hi Shamal ji, you are here. Lovely to see you. Thank you so much. Shamal sir is also here, and I'm just signing off now. It was supposed to be till 8. Lovely to see you all. Thank you Aparna. Coming from you all means a lot. Bye. Have a nice Sunday. Thank you very much.